Oh, hey, welcome back. I'm Rebecca Stone. I'm your Studio NPL photography and video production mentor, and you arrived just in time for this week's film challenge. All right, do you remember the rules from the last couple weeks? Just in case you don't, let me remind you, your film must be less than 2 minutes and it must be user-friendly, and you have to use the story that I provide. Okay, so here we go. First of all, this time we're going to do some fun with some filmmaking fundamentals. We're going to talk about our image. We're going to make sure we include what's called a close-up shot. The close-ups is one of the most important types of shots that a director can use in filmmaking. They use it often to create emotion from your characters, and they also highlight an important place, something that's about to happen. Maybe you see feet walking, you might also see a clock ticking, different things like that. So make sure you include a close-up shot in your movie. The other thing we're going to talk about is sound. We're going to want to make sure we include music in our movie. Okay? So music can really help enhance a scene. It can add suspense or it can add emotion, anything like that. So we want to make sure that you include music. It's going to be either music you created or a friend created. Just make sure you have the rights to use the music, okay? So copyright-free music to be in your movie. And now, the story. You find out that something in your house that has just been collecting dust is actually a priceless artifact. All right, so here's a few tips now. All great stories have a beginning, a middle, and an end. So think about that. Make sure your story has that. Think about answering these questions while you're planning your story. How does your character find out about the artifact? What's your character's problem now that they know about this artifact? And how do they overcome the problem? So think about those things when you're creating your story. When you finish your movie, send it to studionplnashville@gmail.com. That's studionplnashville@gmail.com. Make sure I have it by 5 p.m. on Monday. All right, good luck.